Hello everyone, this is Colby Elmo here again at Johnson RV in Medford, Oregon. I'd like to tell you about this 2023 Roadtrek Agile we got in. This is going to be on the 4x4 Mercedes chassis, so you have a 3.0 liter V6 diesel engine. It is powered by, or also has a 4x4 platform. True four-wheel drive, so you have the high and the low range. One thing I like about Roadtrek is they finish paint everything. All these plastic panels are painted, whereas a lot of manufacturers are not. They also do a real clean design and don't put a lot of holes in this. You do have the exhaust for the furnace, but everything else is going to be pretty clean. You got the propane hookup here and your water dump station here. And then outside shower right here as well as your tankless hot water heater. If you look, Roadtrek does include this screen, so it's completely screened in on the back and the side, so you keep the doors open, get some good airflow. This is going to be the forward-facing sofa model, so I'll show you that on the inside. This one also does include the electric power door. So you just push the button on the key fob and that door will open on its own. Electric step too comes out. Nice thing about Roadtrek too is they are made in Canada and they only make vans. They come with a 3-year warranty from the manufacturer. Nice swivel seats. They redo their own fabrics as well. This Mercedes gives you a nice little clean layout on the interior too. Lots of room in this cab area. Adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, all those fancy features that Mercedes is known for. Here is the side screen right here as well. And the nice thing about Roadtrek is they give you actual latches. So you push this button and then open the latch. Same thing here, push the button. So everything stays locked into place when you're not using it. Solid surface Corian countertops and a convection oven too, so you do some real cooking out of that. Induction cooktop as well. This is going to have lithium batteries. Forward-facing sofa, so you got a nice little lounge area when you're not using it. And then when you need the bed, you push a button, it'll make it into a bed for you. You do get a table that mounts to here as well. Like most vans, this one's also going to have that famous wet bath. Multitasking bathroom, so you get everything done at once. Well, if you have any more questions about this coach or anything else that Johnson RV carries, please give someone on the team a call or reach out to us via Facebook. Thank you very much and have a great day.